Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to get wax for the first time ever in my life. Good people at Apples and Oranges decided to hook me up, and we are actually going to be going to their new location, which is in Victoria Island. I'm excited. I'm scared as fuck. Before I get started with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you guys to subscribe and join my family here on the internet. And also, please do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. So I'm here at the new Apples and Oranges branch, which is located at Seattle Residence Suites, and my god, it's so beautiful. First, you can see all the products on the wall here, and then there's a really nice view, and then you have this really nice and beautiful waiting area, which, my god, it's so pretty. Then you also have this section right here. I think this is the pedicure section. It is so pretty and it smells so good in here. So this is what the room looks like here. So I'm in the bathroom here in the room, and the bathroom is really nice and clean. It is the new branch, so I don't expect anything better, but it's really nice and clean in here. So I have changed and I'm scared. I've never gone to wax before, so I don't know what I'm about to expect. I hope it's not too painful. I really hope it's not too painful. I'm just going into this like I'm getting waxed. I'm doing this. So right now I'm getting the backs of my legs done, and I won't lie, it's not as painful as I thought it would be. I thought waxing was gonna be like way more painful, but it's very far from that. Well, I have a very high pain threshold, and because of that, maybe it doesn't feel as painful to me. Though people are saying that if I get a Brazilian or I get a bikini wax or one of those waxes, that it's gonna be like really painful. So I'm scared of getting that kind of wax, but I do want to get it one day. Probably, since I've had such a good experience here at Apples and Oranges, I will probably come back for a bikini line wax right here, because I have been treated so well and it's been a great experience so far. So if I'm getting another wax, I'll definitely want to get it done here. I'm all done with my leg wax, and my legs feel tingly, but that's the only problem. That's the only complaint I have. I'm completely done. My legs feel so smooth and so clean and so like neat. I have never felt my legs feel this way. I'm so surprised, because I thought it was gonna be painful. I will not lie. I thought it was gonna be like major painful, but it wasn't. It wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. So Banky, I just got waxed for the first time. What was your first time like?
Painful.
Where did you get it done though?
My food.
I got mine done on my leg. Do you want to feel my legs? They're so smooth.
Ooh, yes. See, you can't get this with shaving, man. Oh.
It was okay.
Are your hairs fine?
I don't know. I think they are. I think my hair is a little fine.
Yes,
As the waxing expert, you would know.
I'm not the expert, so
You're my expert because I don't know anybody else has gotten wax. So
really?
Yeah.
I thought it was a thing.
I know Chidera has gotten wax, so she's not around. So you're my expert for today.
Right, okay. Yeah.
Do you feel special?
I mean, I do. I mean, yeah. I mean, I kind of fit the bill, to be honest. I used to get waxed like once a month for like 3 years straight.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's just nice. Like it just feels soft. It exfoliates your skin, gets rid of like dark patches. It's less painful as you keep going.
So the more I keep on waxing, it's gonna get better.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you do it often. But if you leave for a long period of time and then it grows really long again and then you go back, it feels like the first time.
Ah.
So that's why you don't let it get too long.
So you have to go like what, once a month?
I do once a month.
But regularly, you know, not a crazy person like you would go like once every
6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks. So that's like once every other month. That makes a lot of sense actually. So you prefer waxing because it's like just smoother and it's nicer and stuff like that.
Your skin just feels amazing. It grows back better. So it grows back fine. It doesn't grow back stubbly. So when you rub, you know how like when you shave your rub, it's coarse. It doesn't grow back coarse. And the more you do it, like deadens
your nerve endings.
the roots of your hair, so it doesn't grow back
as thick as before.
And vigorously. And yeah.
Okay. Well, it was really painless. It wasn't as painful as I thought it would be.
Pain.
Yes, a little bit. But it wasn't that kind of pain. Like it was just like pulling.
Okay, I get you.
I'm done with you, Banke. I'm done. So waxing, done. Not too hard. Kind of easy. Not as painful as I thought it would be. I'll definitely go back and get waxed. Apples and Oranges has like really good service, so like I knew in my head if I was gonna get waxed, I was gonna have to do it with them. But I do want to try a bikini line wax, you know, just around the area, not like deep in there. And I hope it's not as painful because somebody did send me a message that say, yo, bikini waxes are painful. That concludes this video. If you guys want to know any more about the waxing or any other service from Apples and Oranges, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much once again for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.